Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and today I'm super excited because today I'm trying out these brand new meat grates and veggie grates from Memphis Wood Fire Grill. And what better dish to try them on than grilled ribeye with veggies. So you can get these both in a 6-inch version and a 12-inch version. And trust me when I say these are heavy-duty stainless steel grates. They weigh a ton, so you know it's quality. So I think let's unwrap this and see what they look like. So the benefit of having heavy stainless steel grates is that they have superior heat retention and distribution, which basically means that the food cooks better. So they're made by high quality, durable 304 stainless steel. They're super easy to clean. They fit both the Elite and the Pro grills. The Meat Grate allows for more flames to penetrate, and the Veggie Grate prevents the veggies from falling into the grill. And last but not least, they look so good. I can't wait to test these grates. So the first thing that we need to do is prep the veggies and prep the steaks. So here's how we do that. We have a mix of different veggies and mushrooms. We're gonna drizzle them with some extra virgin olive oil, and then we're gonna season them with our Big Swede Barbecue Badass Veggie Boost. Now we're gonna toss them around and set them aside. We got two beautiful ribeyes that we just wanna trim off some of the extra fat, and then we wanna season them lightly with our Big Swede Barbecue Badass Texas Boost. The veggies and the steaks are now prepped, so it's time to set up the Memphis Wood Fire Grill, and here's how we do that. We want to set up the Memphis Wood Fire Grill for direct flame grilling. So first we want to bring it up to 400 degrees to create a great ember bed in the grill. We want to remove the indirect flame insert and then add the direct flame instead. Now we want to switch to direct flame mode, and we're going to pick extreme. Remember, always keep the lid open when cooking direct flame. We're gonna insert the meat grates. The meat grates are in, the meat is seasoned, so let's throw it on the grill. And after heating the meat grates up a couple of minutes, we're gonna add the two ribeyes. Now we're gonna grill the ribeyes 3-4 minutes aside. You wanna flip them over and potentially move them around a little bit to prevent burning. But look at the beautiful sear that you get using these grates. When they're ready, we're gonna remove and let them rest for a couple of minutes. Well, the ribeyes turned out amazing. So let's switch the grate, put the Veggie Grate in, and let's grill up some veggies. And we're gonna do the same thing here, let it heat up for a couple of minutes, and then we're gonna add all the veggies. Now we're gonna grill the veggies until they're cooked through and have a nice char. You want to move the veggies around so every vegetable get a beautiful char. When they're ready, remove from the grill. The ribeyes have been resting, so now we want to slice them up, and then we want to add the slices to the veggies, and then we're going to toss this around, and they're ready to serve. So we know that these heavy-duty meat grates and veggie grates cooks really well, but at the end of the day, it's all about the flavor. So let's try it. Here's a nice piece of steak. Yeah, great wood-fired flavor, nice char. Let's try a couple of veggies too. Oh, come on. Heavy-duty grates, cooked like a champ on the Memphis Pro Cart ITC3. Now, if you want to know more about Memphis Wood Fire Grill, check out their website, memphisgrills.com, for more recipes or even how to get hold of these new grates. And yeah, I think I'm just gonna keep staying here in the backyard and eat some more steaks. Happy grilling.